Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can solve the issue of a USB device that is not being recognized on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing we need to do is to open the device manager, and we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and select the device manager option. Now, once the device manager is already open, all we need to do is just to go to the Universal Serial Bus Controllers option, this one, and then double click on that to expand. So once it's already expanded, we need to look for the main USB driver that you have, and then we need to update it. So to do that, simply make a right click and then click on update driver. And then if you're connected with an internet connection, then simply go to the first option, search automatically for drivers, and just wait for the notification that says that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Once you're done with this one, go back and select the second, which is browse my computer for drivers, and click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now here you will be shown with a compatible hardware device or driver that you have in your device. You need to select the device driver that you want to install for your device for this hardware. So to do that, simply select it and then click on next, and it will start installing the driver. So just wait for the notification that says Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Once you're done with this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with this operating system. And after the restart or reboot, and you found out that the problem is still not fixed, then all you need to do is just to try uninstalling it. So please open again this device manager window and then make a right click on this uninstall device option, and then click on uninstall. And once you have already uninstalled it, select this scan for hardware changes icon, or you can also just go to the action tab and select this scan for hardware changes option. Now once you have already selected it, just close this window and then make a quick restart again with the device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, you can also check the USB ports. So if the issue persists, you might want to check the USB port if the USB port is physically damaged or if it's a problem with a specific USB device. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.